Now today we will do the mean and variance. Okay. So mean. Let x be a let x be a random variable. Let x be a random variable whose possible whose possible values x1 comma x2 up to xn occur with occur with probabilities p1 comma p2 up to pn respectively respectively. The mean of x the mean of x, okay, is given by this one. Okay, mean of x is given by this, or it is also called the expected value, so or by ex. This is equal to summation pi xi, where I is from 1 to n. Okay, that means you have to find the random variable, you need to multiply with its probability, and then you need to sum it. Okay, so mean will be, we will find the mean by this formula. Okay, so I hope this is clear to everyone. Please note down this formula, confirm me, then I will give you a question on this. So Zephyr and Nabil, please confirm me if it is done so that we can start the question, or I will write the question here. Okay, question number one. In a in a pair of in a pair of dice in a pair of dice, or if a pair of dice is thrown. Okay, if a pair of dice is thrown and x denotes the sum denotes the sum of the numbers on them. Find the probability distribution. Find the probability distribution. Find the probability distribution of x. Also, find the expectation of x. Also, find the expectation of x. Okay. Please try this question and share your answer. Expectation means you have to find the mean. So if, okay, so here what you have to do, always find the random variable x, find its probability, p of x. Okay, suppose you are getting x1 for this p1, x2, p2, then you need to multiply this p1 x1 plus p2 x2, and then you need to add these. Okay, this will be equal to your mean, ex. Okay. Please try this and share your answer.
Sir, how do we find the probability distribution?
Yes, Nabil, how we will find?
Sir, can you show the probability distribution?
Okay, so if a pair of dice is thrown, so first of all, you need to analyze the sample space. Okay, what will be the sample space if a pair of dice is thrown? 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, up to 1, 6. Okay, similarly, 2, 1, 2, 2, and up to 6, 1, up to 6, 6. Okay, this is the sample space. Now, X denote the sum of the numbers. So now what can be the sum of number? 1 plus 1 is 2, 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 1, 6, okay, and 6 plus 1, 7. Now similarly, if you will add 4 plus 4, you will get a 8, 5 plus 4, 9, okay, 5, 5, 10, 11, and maximum can be 12. So this is X. Now you need to find Nabil its probability. Okay, when you will get one, so total here the outcomes will be 36. Okay, now 2 will come when you will get 1, 1. So that means 1 by 36. When you will get 3, 3 you will get when you will get 1, 2 or 2, 1. Only two cases. So 2 by 36. When you will get 4, when you will get 1, 3, then you will get 2, 2, then you get 3, 1. So that means 3 by 36. Is it clear, Nabil?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now please complete this. And Uzafar, you also then calculate the mean. Okay. Nabil and Josefa, is it done? Let me know if you have any doubt.
Yeah, but sir, my total probability is coming more than one, sir,
No, not
in my
possible.
distribution.
Not possible. Let me complete this. 5. Okay, when you will get 5, when you will get 1, 4, 2, 3, 3, 2, 4, 1. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 by 36. When you will get 6, 1, 5. Okay, then 2, 4, then 3, 3, 4, 2, 5, 1. Okay, 5. 5 by 36. Now 7. 1, 7, 1, 6, 2, 5, 3, 4, 4, 3, 5, 2, and 6, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 by 36. When you will get 8, uh, 2, 6, 3, 5, 4, 4, 5, 3, and 6, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 by 36. Then 9. 9 you will get when you have 3, 6, 4, 5, 5, 4, and 6, 3. 4, 4 by 36. Nabil, you are getting the same thing? Nabil?
No, sir, from 8 onwards, it's differing for me.
Okay, okay. Now please check this. I will complete here. Next is 4, 6, then 5, 5, then 6, 4. So this will be 3 by 36. So Zephyr, if you got the answer, please let me know. Next is 5, 5, 6, and 6, 5. Okay, so 2 by 36. 12, you have only 1 by 36. Okay, now check this. This should be 1, 3, 6, 3, 3, 6, 4, 10, 15, 21, 26, 30, 33, 32. This is fine. Okay, Josefa, if it is done, please let me know. If you have any doubt, please tell me. Okay, great, Josefa. Josefa, so what the answer you're getting? No, 0.5. 0.5 is what mean? No, that's not correct, Josefa. You need to multiply these, Josefa. 2 into this, 3 into this, 4 into this, 5 into this, up to 12. 12 into this one. Then whatever the answer you will get, add all those. Okay. So 0.5 is incorrect. That is not correct. Please again do this, Josefa. Please tell me what you are getting in the numerator, okay? Because the denominator will be same 36. Tell me what you are getting in the numerator. Josefa, it is 252. Okay, 252 by 36. Will you please check it? Okay, Josefa, very good. Nabil, please let me know once it is done. Okay, then we will start the next topic, that is variance.
Sir, is it 1 by 77?
No, Nabil, one by how you will get a 1/77? Because in the denominator you have a 36. Okay, so denominator can't be more than 36. You just need to multiply this 2 into this, so you will get 2/36 plus 3 into this 6/36. Okay, Nabil, please do in this way and tell me the final
Yes.
answer. Okay.
Sir, is it 15.5?
Nabil, 252/36.
Yes, sir. I think I've done something in division.
Okay, okay. Can you do this later on, Nabil? Now you
Yes,
understood
sir.
this? Oh, okay, great, great. So we will start the variance. Okay. So write this. X be a let X be a random variable. Let X be a random variable whose whose possible whose possible values whose possible values x1 comma x2 up to xn occurs occur with probabilities occur with probabilities px1 px2 up to pxn respectively. Okay. Let Ex be the mean of X. Okay. The variance of X, denoted by variance X or sigma X square is defined is defined as sigma X square is equal to variance of X is equal to summation. What we will do here, we will take a random variable. We will subtract the mean from this. Okay. So I will denote mean by this new also. So I will write let new is equal to this. Okay. So both are mean, Ex or new, both are mean. Okay. So you have to find the random variable. You need to subtract the mean from it. You will need to do the square of this and you have to multiply that with the probability. Okay. So we will write Pxi and I is equal to 1 to n. Okay. And there's one more formula for this. This is equal to variance of X is equal to summation xi square Pxi. Okay. I is equal to 1 to n minus summation xi pi I is equal to 1 to n whole square. So you need to find what here xi square. You need to multiply that with probability and you have to find the sum. Minus, again, this is nothing, this is a mean. So we can write it like this. Variance of X is equal to E of X square minus Ex, that means mean, minus Ex whole square. Okay. So here what you have to do, first of all, you need to find out the xi square. You have to find the random variable, find its square, multiply that with probability and find the sum. Here, find xi ph as you have done in the previous question. Find the sum, then do the square. Okay. There's a difference between here. Here you are finding xi square, you are multiplying that with probability. Then you are adding it here. You are finding the mean and you are doing the square of that. Okay, it is a variance. Now, what is a variance? Mean you already know, sum of observation by total observation. Okay. So mean you already know, it is sum of observation by number of observations. But suppose think like this. Some students get out of 100, some get 40 marks, some get 50 marks, some get 60 marks, and so on. Next is again 40, 50. And in a class, there are students who are getting 0, some are getting 10, some are getting 100, some are getting 90. So if you will compare these two, then in the second one, there is lot of variation. Okay, you can see here, some are getting 0 and some are getting 100. Here, and if you will find the mean of these, okay, so let's find the mean. Mean will be 200 by 4, which is 50. Find out the mean here. 50, 50, this is 100, 200, 240 by 5. Okay, so here the mean is 48, here the mean is 50. But you can't say that the average, okay, so the average marks of a class here is 50, here is 48. So these two are very close, but if you will analyze these values, there's a lot of variation. And if you will see here, the marks of all the students are very close to each other. Okay, so we will find out the variance. If the variance is less, so that means the difference between the marks of the students is less. If the variance is more, then the difference will be more. Okay, so we have this formula for the variance. Now you will see here, if you're finding the variance, we are doing the square. So there is one more term, which is standard deviation. It is denoted by this sign, and it is, sorry, by this sign. And it is equal to under root of variance. So you have to find out the variance. You need to find its under root. That will be standard deviation. Okay. So this is standard definition. Please note down this formula, confirm me, then I will give you a question. Nabil and Husafa, please confirm if it is done. Huzaifa and Nabil, is it done?
Just a minute, sir.
Okay.
Done, sir.
Okay, Nabil. Huzaifa, is it done?
Done, sir.
Okay, okay. Good, good. Now please try this question. Find the variance. Find the variance of the number of the number obtained on a throw of an unbiased die. Okay, please try this question. Uh, Please let me know if you have any doubt. Okay. Good, Josefa. Josefa, what the answer you're getting? Uh, Josefa, what the answer you're getting?
Sir, could you show how to do this question?
Yes. Great, Josefa. Josefa, that's great. You are getting the correct answer. Okay. Okay, Nabil. Uh, so Nabil, first thing, tell me what the possible values of x you are getting.
Sir, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yes. Variance of the number obtained on a throw of an unbiased. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. What's the probability of getting one? Nabil, what's the probability?
1 by 6.
1 by 6. Next one. Probability of getting 2. Again 1 by 6.
1 by 6.
Probability of getting 2. Again 1 by 6, 1 by 6, and 1 by 6, and 1 by
Yes,
6.
sir.
Okay. We have to find the variance. What's the formula of variance? That is equal to, see, it is xi square pxi minus mean, or we can say xi pi y is equal to 1 to n whole square. I is equal to 1 to n. Okay, so if you will see here, you have find out the value of x. Next you need its square. Okay, so where shall I write? It is better if you will make a column wise. Okay, this is x, this is its probability. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then Nabil, you need its square. And please share the assignments with me if you have already completed it. Okay, I need to share its status. So this will be 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36. Okay. Now for this one variance, you need to multiply this with the probability. So probability 1 by 6, 1 by 6, 1 by 6, 1 by 6, and 1 by 6, 3, 4, 5, and 1 by 6. You need to multiply these two. Okay, so multiply this x square with the probability. 1 by 6, 4 by 6, 9 by 6, 16 by 6, 25 by 6, and 36 by 6. Okay, Nabil? Then add all this. So whatever the value you will get by adding this, put it here. Okay. For the mean, you need to multiply these two and find the mean, put the value here. Then you can do the calculation. Is it done? Can you do this, Nabil, now? Nabil? You're mute, Nabil. Can you solve this question now? Please complete this, Nabil, okay? And share your answer.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Okay, or we can write like this also, because we have to do all the calculations. Okay, xi, pxi, it is xi square, and it is pxi square. So this will be more convenient for us. Now please do the calculation and share your answer, Nabil.
Sir, 35/12.
35 by 12, Nabil? Are you saying 35 by 12?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, great, great. Now please try next question. Two cards are drawn. Two cards are drawn simultaneously. Simultaneously from a from a from a well from a pack of from a pack of 52 cards. 52 cards. Okay. Find the mean. Find the mean, variance, and when the mean, variance, and standard deviation deviation of the number of kings of the number of kings of the number of kings. Okay. Please try this question and share your answer. But before that, first tell me what the value of x you are getting and what it is probability. Then solve this question. Nabil, can you tell me what the value of x you're getting? Nabil, what the value of x you are getting?
Sir, is it 1/4?
1/4. No, no, no. First, tell me what the value of x you're getting. Yes, Nabil. Nabil, my voice is audible.
Sir, can you show this?
First, tell me what the value of x. Forget
Sir,
about
can you
this.
show how to do this one?
Okay, okay. Two cards are drawn simultaneously from a pack of 52 cards. Okay. Find the mean, variance, and standard deviation of the number of kings. Okay. So that means this is your random variable. We have to find the random variable for this one, number of kings. So now can you tell me, Nabil, what is the value of x? Number of kings, you have to take a real valued function. So what the value of x you will get? Number of kings. 0. Okay, no
4
king.
by
What the value of
52.
x you will get?
4 by
1.
52.
Yes,
0.
that we will decide later on. So first we will find the value of x. So there can be 0 king, there can be 1 king, there can be 2 king. Okay. Now in a pack of 52 cards, we have 4 kings and 48 other cards. Okay. 0 king. 0 king means 2 cards which you are drawing, that you will draw from which one? 4 king or 48? Nabil, the 2 cards which you are drawing, you will draw from the 4 or 48? From? 4 or from 48. Okay.
48.
So that means 48 C2 by 52 C2. Clear, Nabil? Nabil, is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. Now 1 means we will draw one card from this king, other
Now
card
one
from
one.
this. So here you will get 4C1 into 48C1 by 52C2. Okay. Now 2. 2 king means you will draw this from king by 52C2. Is it clear, Nabil? Nabil, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now please do the calculation and share your answer. Okay,
Yes, sir.
Josefa? Very good, Nabil. It is correct. Mean is 34 by 21. Huzefa, if you get the answer, please let me know. Nabil and Josefa, is it done? Please let me know, okay, once this will be completed. Just tell me variance, okay? And there's no need to divide that completely. Tell me in fraction only. And for standard deviation, you can do later on because for that, you just need to find the under root of that. Okay. So for the variance, just tell me the answer in fraction. Variance, very good, Nabil. It is correct. Josefa, is it done? Josefa, is it done? So we have completed the topics. Okay. We will do some more questions on this. Josefa, let me know if once it is completed. Next question is the random variable x can take values, 0, 1, 2, 3. Given that px is equal to 0 is equal to px is equal to 1 is equal to p, and px is equal to 2, px is equal to 3, such that summation pi xi square is equal to twice of summation pi xi. Find the value of p. Find the value of p. Okay, and this question came in CBSE 2017. Now please try this question and share your answer. If anyone have a doubt, let me know. Okay. Nabil, very good. It is correct. Very good. Josefa, is it done? Josefa, is it done? Please confirm, Josefa, okay? So that we can start the next question. Okay, Nabil, then try this question. And Josefa, I'm waiting for your answer. Find the probability. Oh, okay, okay, okay. Okay, Josefa. So Josefa, you have noted this question? Okay, okay, okay. Okay, okay. Then please try this one. Find the probability distribution. Find the probability distribution of the number of successes in two process of a die where a where a success is defined as getting a number greater than 4 greater than 4. Also find the mean and variance. Also find the mean and variance of the distribution. Of the distribution. Okay. And this question came in CBSE 2020. So first of all, tell me what's the value of random variable. Okay. Both of you. Okay. Then find the probability. Okay, who can tell me what is the value of X? Find the probability distribution of the number of success in two tosses of a die, where a success is defined as getting a number greater than 4. Nabil, Muzaffar, anyone can tell me? Nabil, can you tell me what will be the value of X? Nabil, please confirm what will be the value of X? Nabil, please
5,
confirm
6.
what will be the value of X?
Sir, 5
Okay.
and 6.
5 and 6. No, no. They're saying probability distribution of the number of success. Okay, number of success. And what's the success? Getting a number greater than 4. So that means if you will get a number which is greater than 4, then you will say that you get a success. Okay, Josefa, can you tell me what the value of X? No? Um, you will say you get a success when you will get a number greater than 4. So you're tossing two coin. How many success you can get? Sorry, you're tossing two die. In two tosses of a die, sorry. You are tossing two times. A single die you are tossing two times. So what is the number of success? First time when you throw the die, then there is a possibility you do not get the success. Do not. Second time also, you do not get. Okay. So number of success can be 0. What other cases? You will get one success. Okay. Because you are throwing a die, so there are chances you get a one success. Second, you can get two success. Is it clear, Nabil? Nabil, is it clear now? Not audible. Nabil, if
Yes,
you
sir.
wait. Okay. Now, Nabil, please tell me if you are throwing a die two times and it is a case of independent event or a dependent event. Nabil,
Independent.
independent. Okay, Uzafa, you're throwing two die you are throwing two times a single die. So it's a case of independent because the first throw will not affect the second one. So if we are saying that A is the event of getting number greater than 4, number greater than 4, and we are saying B is a 4 in first throw. In first throw, in first throw, here number greater than 4 in second throw. So you need for the first case, X is 0. So that means in first row, you do not get the success, or we can say you do not get the number greater than 4. In second case also, you do not get the number greater than 4. So this is equal to P A naught because it is an independent event. Hope you remember this formula. If two events are independent, then their naught is also independent. So this is equal to P A naught into PB naught. P A naught means you do not get a number which is greater than 4. So that means you can get a number 1, 2, 3, 4. So that means 4 by 6. Similarly, this one 4 by 6. Okay, cancel out this 2, 3, 2, 3. So it is equal to 4 by 9. Clear, Nabil? Nabil, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Nabil, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Okay, now please tell me the probability for this one. Josefa, is it clear? The first one? Clear, Josefa, this part? Okay, great. Then Josefa and Nabil, please tell me the answer for this. One success. Okay. And it is better if you will reply me on the chat box, both of you. What will be the probability for this one?
Sir, is it 4 by 9?
Very, very good. Nabil, that's correct. It's 4 by 9, okay? So, Nabil, can you tell me how you solve this? Because I need to check the process.
Sir,
Check the process.
sir, first we take 2 by 6 into 4 by 6 because 2 by 6 is chance of getting number greater than 4 on first die,
Good,
and
good,
4 by 6 is the chance of getting number less than 4 on the second die.
good.
Then we add that with chances that we get 4 by 6 on the first die and 2 by 6 on the second die.
Great, great,
Then we
Nabil.
get
Very, very good, Nabil. It is correct. Josefa, please confirm. Are you getting the same answer? Nabil, then please try this one for 2 and share your answer. And Josefa, tell me this. Are you getting the same one? 4 by 9 for 1?
Sir, is it 3 by 6?
3 by 6. No, 3 by 6 is not correct. 3 by 6. No, no. You're doing some calculation mistake. Okay, remember it is greater than 4. Hmm. Nabil, do you get the mistake? This means in the first die you get a number which is greater than 4. So what's the probability of
This
getting greater than?
means
Yes, Nabil. Probability of getting greater than 4 is 2 by 6.
probability is 2 by
Probability of
6.
getting yes, 2 by 6 into 2 by 6. So cancel out this 3. So it is 1 by 9 for this. This is 1 by 9. Clear, Nabil? Nabil, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, great. Josefa?
Yes, sir.
Good, good, good. Josefa, is it clear? Please confirm, Josefa, so that we can start the next question. Josefa, I'm waiting for the answer. Josefa, please confirm, okay? So we are starting this question, Josefa. If you have any doubt in the previous question, please let me know. Let's try this. Two numbers are selected. Two numbers are selected at random. Without replacement. Without replacement. Okay. So that means conditional probability. From the six positive integers, let x denote the larger of the two numbers obtained point ex, okay, and variance. And this question came 2 times CBSE 2014 and 2018. Okay, please try this question. Okay, Nabil, please check here. Two numbers are selected at random from the six positive integers. Okay, now here they are saying that x is the larger of the two numbers obtained. Okay, and we are doing this without replacement. So what are the numbers we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so you are selecting two number without replacement. So that means if you have selected one, then again you can't select one, you need to select some other number. So Nabil, suppose if you have selected 1 and second is 2, then what is a greater number? So we will write all the options here. In X we will write all the options.
Two.
We will write all the options.
So good.
In X,
Now suppose we have selected 1 and the next number is 3. Then what the value of X is?
then
3.
what's the value of X?
Suppose you have selected these two number. Then 4. Next
4.
yes, you have selected this number, so that means 5. You have selected this number, so that means 6. Okay, so these are the values of X.
You have
Now,
selected this number, so
6.
that means 6.
yes. Okay, now we will see for 2. Okay, if we have to find out the probability for X is equal to 2, then we will check this is Xi and this is Pi. Okay, when you will get a 2, when you will select the first number as 1 and second as 2, we don't have any other option. Okay, so if we need to find this P2, Px is equal to 2. So this will occur only in one case when the first number, we will not say the first number, we will say if the getting a number 1 and the second number is 2, we do not have any other option. Okay, so that means for the first number which we are drawing is 1. So finding the 1 is the probability of getting 1 is 1 by 6. Now remaining numbers are 5. So from that, drawing a 2 have the probability 1 by 5 plus what the second option is. The first number which we have drawn is 2. So that is 1 by 6 into the next number is 1 by 5. This is clear, Nabil? So 6, 5, 30, 30. So this is 2 by 30, which is 1 by 15. Nabil, please confirm.
6, 5, 30, 30.
Okay.
So this is
So Nabil, can you tell me for the third one, Px is equal to 3, what is the probability? Okay. So when we will get a 3, when the first number is either 1 or 2. Clear, Nabil? When we will get a 3, when the first number will be 1 or 2. So we will combine these two cases. It's your, okay. So what's the probability of getting 1 or 2? Nabil, what's the probability of getting 1 or 2? Total you have 6 numbers, from that you are drawing 2 number, 1 or 2. So what will be the probability?
with the probability.
2 by 6.
2 by 6, very good. Okay. 2 by 6. Now you have drawn one number. Suppose you have removed 2 from here. Now the remaining numbers are 5. So from that 5 number, what is the probability of drawing a 3? Yes, Nabil. What is the probability of getting
1 by
1 by
5.
1 by
Yes,
5? Very good.
what's the probability of getting
Okay. Plus. Now again, let the first number be 3. What is the probability of getting a 3? Yes.
1 by 4.
Why 1 by 4? We are doing from the starting. So if you have a 6 number, you're drawing a 3. So that means 1 by 6. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now remove this 3. Remaining numbers are 5. From the 5 number you are drawing 1 or 2. So what will be the probability?
Uh, 2 by 5.
2 by 5. Okay. Now solve this. 30, 34. 4 by 30, which is equal to 2 by 15. This is 2 by 15. Now please tell me, Nabil, for this one, 4. What is the probability? For x is equal to 4, what is the probability? Nabil, please tell me the answer for this. What is the probability for x is equal to 4?
So is it 3 by 15?
3 by 15. Nabil, 3 by 15.
3 by 50.
Yes, sir.
Great, great. It is correct. Now please check for 5 and 6.
Four by 15 and 5 by 15.
For x is equal to 5, 4 by 15. No, 4 by 15 is not correct. No, no, no. Please again check it. Px is equal to 4. Okay, x is equal to 4 means in the first second, on the first one, you get a number 1, 2, and 3. So 3 by 6 into 1 by 5 plus 1 by 6 into 3 by 5. Okay, so it is 30, 3 is 6, 1 by 5. Clear, Nabil?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Please tell me for 5 and 6.
Sir, could you say how we can get 5 and 6?
So 5 and 6. Okay. For Px is equal to 5. So that means on the first one, we get a number 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. So 4 by 6. And now remaining number is, so 1 by 5 plus 1 by 6 into 4 by 5. So it is 8 by 30. So 4 by 15. Clear, Nabil? Nabil?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now the next is Px is equal to 6. Okay. So on
Okay,
the
now the
first
next
one, you get a 5 by 6. Next is 1 by 5. Next is 1 by 6 into 5 by 6. So 5 by 5. Okay. So here 30, 10, 10 by 10 by 30. So it is 1 by 3. Is it fine, Nabil? Nabil, is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So Nabil, now your syllabus is completed. Okay. This question you can do in the homework. We have formed the table. You just need to find the mean variance in this case. Okay. So Nabil, now when you have your pre-boards,
31st, sir.
31st Jan. Okay. So what we will do next week, Nabil, we will select a chapter. You have to complete the homework because I think the main issue is this problem is with all the students. They have not completed the homework yet for the second book. Okay. So I will discuss your doubts on Saturday. Okay. If you don't have any doubt, then we will select some questions from the previous year. We will try to solve it, but it is better if you will do the homework and I will discuss the doubts. So which chapter you want to start? This, I guess, first is probability.
is I
Okay. So first is probability. Second, this week you have a test of differential equation.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what we will do, probability and the chapter which on Friday you have to give the test. So probability and the other chapter, I guess differential equation or vector. Okay. So please complete this, and on Saturday and Sunday I will discuss your doubts. Okay.